And you guys had to go through this journey, right? Like, they can't just tell it to you. You have to experience that, like, it doesn't work this way, it doesn't work this way. You have to do the homework and pick up the phone. You have to go through this process, so that way when this aha moment comes about, it's like, aha, really? You know what I mean?
Right.
So there's converting normal houses in San Bernardino where there's a lot of detached garages and building out a second unit. And it's all merged together. One doesn't fit without the other. When you do something like this and you massively increase that cash flow like that, you also massively increase the equity. One hand washes the other. So if we're talking about the BRRRR method, right? And you say, okay, yeah, well, but I'm buying this house for $200,000, right? And now we're putting, the ARV we initially determined was $240,000. Well, it's going to cost us $40,000 to put this ADU in there, right? So in retrospect, you're thinking, all right, well, we're at max value, so how are we going to get our money back out? Well, the reality is, this was a 1,200 square foot unit, or let's just even call it 700 square feet. Let's call it 700 square feet. Well, if the original house is 1,400 square feet, that would mean 1,400 square feet. Sorry, you take your square footage and divide it by your value. So if you say the original house was 1,500 square feet divided by that ARV, now you're seeing the price that you're paying per square footage. I'm paying, somebody do that math, $240,000 divided by 1,500. 240,000 divided by 1,500. 160? 168?
160.
Oh, 0, okay. So now do 160 times 15, what was that, 7? So 2,100. So 1,600 times 2,100. Or 160, sorry, 160 times 2,100.
That's $336,000.
What is that number? That's your new value of your house you just put an ADU on.